My name is Patrick Heiser, and I'm a postdoctoral fellow at Harvard University. Currently I work in Lee Rubin's laboratory studying neurodegenerative diseases. Specifically, I'm interested in a disease called spinal muscular atrophy. Spinal muscular atrophy is one of the leading genetic causes of death in children. So our lab does an extensive amount of tissue culture. We're a very in vitro heavy lab. So as such, each week we typically perform 30 to 40 cell counts on a given week. Counting cells with a hemocytometer can be tedious. It does take a bit of time, especially since the hemocytometer has to be cleaned and wiped down in between each count. Our lab also has a lot of people, and so we only have one microscope, and so that also provides a bit of an impediment sometimes. When I first saw the Scepter, I was very surprised. I was expecting a benchtop device. So I was deeply impressed by the fact that it's actually something that's handheld and roughly the size of a pipette. My favorite feature is just how easy it is to use. You turn it on and it works. It has one button to turn it on and off. The controls are very intuitive, and there's no need to do any kind of calibration. The Scepter is very precise, so from reading to reading, it provides equivalent readings. So I've been impressed by that. I mean, anybody who's counting cells could streamline their work with a device such as the Scepter.